5/8 is here, 7/8 is here. As an ellipse, do you agree, like a football, this is lying down? So, this picture looks like this. Eyes. Wait, who's that football head kid? Cartoon.
Stewie.
Stewie.
Stewie Griffin.
No, not Stewie, no.
Dora?
Yeah, that's Arnold.
Oh, Hey Arnold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like Hey Arnold. Yeah, doesn't he have like, isn't like that? So,
Really, he's got a little baseball cap.
yeah. I think he's got like his whacked out sister who always lets him kill him or something. Isn't his sister like always crazy? I don't remember, but I thought his sister was in trouble. That can't be her sister's name. I'm sorry. I'm looking at it, I'm like, hey Arthur, or whatever that kid's name is.
Arnold.
Arnold.
Whatever, do that.
Yeah, what's his sister's name?
He has a sister. He's raised by his grandparents.
Yeah.
No, that's not
his
his head.
girl
It was like-
from
it was
the
like a
creepy
girl that
chick.
was-
She like bullies
Helga?
him.
Yeah, her name's Helga.
This girl?
Yeah, that's his sister, isn't it?
That's his girlfriend. Well, not really.
That's
This is like bullies.
he's dating his sister?
No, Mr. Pickleson.
Whoa, I thought that was his sister.
You're wrong.
Wow.
Why did Mr. Nixon?
I gotta watch this cartoon again.
How do I know the words are going up and down or whatever?
Because all the action is going horizontally. Your foci are on the laces of the football.
Oh.
So it's gotta be sideways.
I've recorded everything.
If you had a situation where the foci were like this, then your football's standing up.
So if you had like all eights in the X spot, then it would be system.
Yes. So right now I have the sons, okay? What's the center? 6/8? Okay, center is 6/8. We all good? All right.
Wait, how did you get the 6?
What's halfway between the vertices?
Oh, okay.
Halfway between 2 and 8 would be a 6. So, x minus 6 squared over something plus y minus 8 squared over something equals 1. It's an ellipse, gotta be plus. From the center to a vertex is 4 units. Horizontally, you need 16 under x. Again, horizontally going from center to vertex is 4, so I need 16 underneath. Okay? Now, what's the distance from the center to the focus? It's 1, right? If I square 1, I get 1. Okay? Those numbers in the bottom have to subtract to give me 1. So, it's 17 or 15. Which one's it gonna be?
It's gonna be 15.
It's gotta be 15. Because football's like this, horizontally. The bigger number's gotta be under the X. So, I need a 15 under there. We're done. Okay? Again, I think when you think of how it works together mentally, I find it to be a much easier solution than saying, oh, figure out these numbers. Show me some work. Show me, a squared equals b squared or c squared. Like, what? I don't even know who's A, who's B. I don't know. I don't care. And do you remember when he first did these? Didn't you get the formulas of A's and B's in them? When you first did them, probably last year, whenever you guys did them, you had all those letters in there, and we got confused. That's the way I was. When I first did the conic sections back in 2nd grade, I was confused. I was confused about who A, B, and C were.
No.
I didn't know.
I touched you.
Well, by the time I hit 3rd grade, I was okay. I got it. I'm kidding. I was.
Took you a whole year.
Yeah, I wasn't okay.
Ew. It's fresh too.
Because it says write it as one log.
It always has to equal one, the way that you.
So you really should.
Like, 9 minus 8 equals 1, that's why it's not, that's why it's not.
Well, that's considered to be one
I think it's a
term
different
instead of
reason, but I don't know what it is.
I think it's because.
Why am I blanking on it? I know. That's a,
Can I take a picture of someone's flipped graphs?
I think it's because with the foci, it is equal to one.
Well, see, here's the biggest issue.
So the foci.
I think, what was that?
I thought it was negative.
Whatever.
that's a,
Yeah.
when you're
One of
getting
the
the bottom.
questions I got, it turned out that the answer was something like log base 2 of x squared minus 49. And right before it was like log base 2 of x plus 7 times x minus 7. Now, is this acceptable? Yeah, but this is the same. But here's what I don't want you to do, and this is why I point this out. What some people do is they write it like this. They're like, oh, I'll multiply it out because I'm a nice person. And they write log base 2 of x squared minus 49. You can't write that because that says the log base 2 of x squared minus 49. This says the log base 2 of x squared is 49. Okay? So the point of that problem was, I don't really care between these two. That's the same thing. Do you have to write it like this instead of this? No, but you can. But if you multiply them, don't forget to put the parentheses around it. That was my point, okay? If we leave the parentheses off, and here's a sad thing, you were being a nice person by multiplying it out. But then you leave the parentheses off, sorry, nice guys finish last at this point. That was a nice thing you did, but now you just screwed up because you left out the parentheses. So maybe you should just left it as it was and just like go on your own merry way. So like merry way, like Christmas time. I'm trying to connect a little bit to Christmas time. Come on.
Can we go over the first two?
That was a good one.
The first two.
Degrees and radians?
Degrees and radians?
Yeah.
Okay. To convert to degrees, you gotta multiply by 180 over pi. All right? Let's keep it real simple. Pi over 6.